Okay, so we are starting our new unit on combining like terms. Now, this unit has 5 parts because we have to define a bunch of stuff. But I promise it's easy. Just take your time with it. I'm going to explain everything super well. Just follow along and make sure you do all the practices and the quick checks. So, let's get started with just terms. They're the parts of an expression, but what does that mean? Okay, so we're starting with a question. How many parts are there in the expression above? Well, let's see how I can split this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 parts. Okay, each of these parts is called a term. But why did I do it that way? How do we split an expression into terms? Well, each term is separated by a plus or a minus sign. So, let's separate these terms. I'm going to do a cross, slash, 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 and so on. Notice that I'm doing each slash behind the number and before the sign. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terms. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So, I have these signs, the minuses and the pluses. This is because terms can be positive or negative. The sign in front, to the left of each term, tells you whether it's positive or negative. So, positive terms have a plus, negative terms have a minus. There is an exception to this. If the term in front is positive, it has no sign. Now, that's because if we have like the number 3, this is a positive 3, but we just don't write the positive sign. So I'm going to separate these again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And this one is positive, negative, positive, and negative. This term is negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, 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 negative. All I'm doing is I'm checking the sign in front to tell me whether it's positive or negative. Same thing here. Plus, negative, positive, negative, negative, negative. So it's fair to say that this is a negative 10x, a negative 5, a negative 3, positive 15, negative 2x, positive 18. Okay, that's it. All I want you to do below is separate each expression into terms, state the number of terms, and do the positives and minuses to tell me whether each term is positive or negative. That's it. Go ahead and try the practice, do the quick check, and I'll see you in the next one.